My name is Juan Osorio. I am 25 years old. I went to school in El Rio Lindo, del Valle. The name of my farm is OSORIO Family Farms. It's me, my brother, my dad, and my mom. Yeah, I think there's money to be made everywhere. It's not just farming. Right now we are growing strawberries, lettuce, carrots. I like to grow rainbow carrots because you don't see this variety at the supermarkets. The yellow one is actually the sweetest one. My favorite is the purple one. It's higher in vitamins. But then in my opinion, it tastes more earthy. I think of my parents as my motivation. At the farmers market, people that I encounter admire my work. It's really nice to come across, and I'm happy that there's finally a turnaround. Palabras sencillas pero llenas de verdad son las que me guían cuando toca decidir de más.